Hello, if you're in the market for humidifiers and you definitely would like to hear about this one, we actually were looking for something for our home because we constantly have a dry air around our home. During summertime, it's air conditioning. During winter time, it's furnace. So we were looking for something what can stand alone by itself. And we were choosing between something more like a smaller and rectangular versus something more slim. And I told my husband I really want to try the slim one, something what can be very easy tucked in a corner if we don't use it, and something what will be more relevant for our space. So yeah, let me just turn my camera around, show you all of the features and share how much we like it. And one of the features I really love about this humidifier is that you can also have a remote right here, so you can see all of the buttons basically exactly the same as right here. So for example, this one we can turn on and off light right here if you don't want it. We can also set it up to a sleep mode. You can also set it up to your desired humidity around, and we can all still do it right here. You can also set it up on timer for how long you would like it to run. And one of the points I want to mention right here is that you can actually point the jet in one direction or another. So if you want to change it, the way it goes to the right or left, for example, you have something around it and you don't want the steam coming out of there, you can easily use this. And as you can see right here, we have some back lip right here. It's not very easy, of course, with one hand, but I kind of want to open and show it for you. So yeah, here how you can put water inside, how you can fill it all up. And as you can see right inside, it holds almost up to like 3 gallons of water, so you don't need to like constantly fill and refill it. And one of my favorite features, you can see right here, I can do it on remote or I can do it right there. It's this night sleep mode where everything kind of slows down. All of the lights is turned off, but it still goes. It still goes in a very like low speed. So if you need it at night and you're sleeping, you don't need to worry about lights, very bright lights, but it's still working. And then as you can see, if we turn on this auto button once and we can turn it again, everything goes back up right again. And that's where we set up our preferred settings, you know, our humidity settings, the light, everything. So this is programmable, very intuitive, very easy to use. I absolutely love this design. Overall, we have been super happy with this humidifier. It works like a charm. It fits our space perfectly. So if you're in the market for humidifier for yourself, highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.